Did you know that 9 out of 10 drivers have zero idea about the hidden features built into their own cars? Even crazier? One of these simple tricks could literally save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Today, I'm revealing 15 undiscovered car secrets that most mechanics hope you never find out. These aren't just cool party tricks. Many of them will save you money, frustration, and even keep you safe. Stick around till the end because number 1 is ridiculously simple but will make you angry you didn't know it sooner. Let's dive in. Secret number 15. Number 15. The gas pedal reset trick. Your car feels sluggish, the idle is rough, and you're already thinking about heading to the shop. Stop right there. Turn the car completely off, press the gas pedal all the way to the floor and hold it for 10 full seconds. Release it slowly, then start the engine and let it idle for 15 minutes without touching anything. This resets your ECU and relearns the throttle position. Mechanics charge $100 to $200 for the exact same throttle relearn. You just did it for free in 30 seconds. Secret number 14. Number 14. Dead key fob emergency start. Your key fob battery dies. You press unlock, nothing happens. Panic sets in. Here's what almost nobody knows. Most modern cars have a hidden passive reader near the start button or in the driver's cup holder. Simply place the dead fob flat against the start button or drop it into the cup holder, press the brake, and push start. The car will read the signal and start right up. No locksmith, no expensive roadside fee. Secret number 13. Number 13. Hidden keyhole in the door handle. Look closely at your exterior door handle. There's a small plastic cap hiding a full mechanical keyhole. Pop it off and you have a backup way in. Especially useful if the electronic door latch fails. Dealerships love quoting $300 to $800 for that repair, while this mechanical override has been sitting there the whole time. Completely free. Secret number 12. Number 12. The nighttime glare fix. Driving at night with bright lights blinding you in the rearview mirror? Don't just flip the mirror up. Look at the bottom edge of your rearview mirror. There's a small tab or lever. Flip it down. The mirror shifts into night mode, dramatically reducing glare while still letting you see traffic behind you. Simple, effective, and has been in cars for decades. Secret number 11. Number 11. Hidden storage under your seats. Slide your front seat all the way forward and look underneath. Many cars have hidden storage trays or pockets built into the seat base. Trucks and SUVs often have large compartments under the rear seats, perfect for emergency kits, jumper cables, or valuables you want to keep out of sight from thieves. Secret number 10. Number 10. Transmission reset trick. Automatic transmission replacement can cost $3,000 to $8,000. Before you panic about harsh shifting or slipping, try this quick reset. With the engine warm, shift through every gear with a 2-second pause in each position. Then park the car, shut it off for 1 full minute, and restart. This clears the adaptive memory and often improves shift quality instantly. Dealers charge $150 to $300 for the same service. Secret number 9. Number 9. Grocery hooks in your trunk. Open your trunk and look along the sidewalls or under the lid. You'll find small retractable hooks designed specifically to hold grocery bags upright. Nearly every car built in the last 15 years has them. Stop letting your groceries roll around and get damaged on every trip. Secret number 8. Number 8. Automatic transmission shift lock override. Battery dead and your car is stuck in park? Look next to the gear shifter for a small plastic cover. Pop it off and press the slot underneath to manually shift into neutral, even with zero power.